When you create a new presentation, you can choose to start with a blank presentation or one with an applied template or theme. If you create a blank presentation, you can apply a theme later. Click the PowerPoint icon on the Windows taskbar. PowerPoint opens and displays the Home tab in Backstage view. You can create a new presentation by clicking one of the themes shown at the top of the window, but the new pane will provide even more theme options. On the navigation bar in Backstage view, click New. The new pane opens, and thumbnails for available templates appear. In the new pane, click Blank Presentation. A new presentation opens with a blank title slide. You can add new slides and apply a theme later. To begin work in PowerPoint, you must first open the program. To do so, you can click the Start button, type PowerPoint in the Type Here to Search box, and then press Enter. You can also click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard, locate PowerPoint in the list of apps on the Start menu, and then click it. Click the Start button. The Start menu opens, displaying a list of all apps on the left and the Office apps in the upper right of the menu. If the PowerPoint icon is not displayed here, you may need to scroll down the list of apps to locate it. Click PowerPoint. PowerPoint opens. You can use the search box on the title bar to get help with PowerPoint features and to execute commands. For example, if you type Print in the search box, a menu of printing tasks and help topics appears. The search box is especially useful when you cannot remember where a particular command is located on the ribbon. In the content placeholder on the slide, select the entire quote, including the quotation marks. To apply formatting to text using the search box, you need to select the text first. You want to center this quote. Click the search box on the title bar and type Center in the box. Notice how options appeared in a list beneath the search box as you typed. You could click one of these options or just continue typing your text and then press Enter. Click Center. PowerPoint centers the text. When the search box cannot execute a command because you need to make additional choices first, it will open the appropriate dialog box or task pane for you. By default, the Quick Access toolbar contains the Save, Undo, and Redo buttons, but you can use the Customize Quick Access toolbar button to add commands you use frequently, or to remove those you don't need. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access toolbar button. PowerPoint displays the Customize Quick Access toolbar menu. On the Customize Quick Access toolbar menu, click More Commands. The PowerPoint Options dialog box opens and displays the Quick Access toolbar settings with popular PowerPoint commands listed on the left. In the list on the left, click the Animation pane command. Click Add. The command appears in the list on the right with the existing Quick Access toolbar commands. Click OK. The PowerPoint Options dialog box closes and the Animation pane button appears on the Quick Access toolbar. You can apply a professionally designed theme to your presentation using the Themes gallery. The theme changes the appearance of the slides, but not the content, so you can apply a theme to new or existing presentations at any time. Click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Themes group, click the More button. The Themes gallery opens. In the Office category, click the Basis theme, sixth option in the second row of Office themes. The Basis theme is applied to all the slides in the presentation. After you insert a new slide, you can select a content placeholder and begin typing your text. Any formatting applied to the placeholder will automatically be applied to the text. For example, if the bulleted list format is applied to a content placeholder, a new bulleted list item will be added when you press Enter after typing text. Click the border of the title placeholder, which reads Click to add title. When you select the border of a placeholder, the text you type will replace the contents of the placeholder. Type About Rockland in the title placeholder. PowerPoint automatically applies uppercase formatting to the text because the content placeholder is formatted to do so. Click the border of the body placeholder beneath the title placeholder, which reads Click to add text. Type Formed in 1996. Press Enter. PowerPoint formats the text with a bullet because the content placeholder is formatted to do so. Type 72 employees in the content placeholder. You added a second bulleted item to the list. If you make a mistake or change your mind about a revision, you can undo your work immediately by clicking the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar. You can then click the Redo button if you want to reinstate the change. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Undo button. The last action, which was changing the theme variant applied to the presentation, is undone. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Redo button. PowerPoint redoes the action and the theme modification is restored. You can zoom in on a slide to view the details of a chart or object and zoom out to see the whole slide. To do so, use the Zoom button on the View tab or use the Zoom controls on the status bar. Position the mouse pointer over the zoom slider on the status bar. Press and hold the left mouse button as you drag the zoom slider to the left until the zoom level percentage is 50%, and then release the mouse button. PowerPoint decreases the zoom level as you drag the zoom slider to the left. The zoom level percentage appears on the status bar to the right of the zoom slider. If you want to emphasize important words on slides, you can apply a variety of styles, including bold, italic, underline, shadows, or strike-throughs. To italicize text, you select its content placeholder or select the text within the placeholder, and then in the font group, click the italic button. In the Smart Art on Slide 2, select the words New Way Forward. In the font group on the ribbon, click the italic button. PowerPoint italicizes the selected text. Font colors are determined by the presentation's current theme, but you can change the color of text by selecting it and then clicking the font color arrow on the mini toolbar and choosing a color from the font color gallery. Select the words Analyze Data on the slide. The mini toolbar appears. On the mini toolbar, click the font color arrow. The font color gallery opens. You can choose from a palette of theme colors, choose a standard color, or create a custom color. Choosing a theme color helps ensure that the design of your presentation is professional. In the font color gallery, in the top row of theme colors, click Blue Accent 3, the 7th option in the row. The new font color is applied to the selected text. When you're developing a presentation, it's a good idea to save your work frequently using the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar, located just above the File tab on the ribbon, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control-S. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Save button. You saved the presentation. You can insert new slides into a presentation using the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab and on the Insert tab. If the currently selected slide is a title slide, PowerPoint inserts a new title and content slide immediately after it. But if the selected slide is any other layout, PowerPoint inserts a slide with the same layout. In the Slides group on the Home tab, click the New Slide button. A new slide using the title and content layout appears immediately after Slide 1. Using the New Slide arrow in the Slides group, you can insert a new slide with a specified slide layout, and it will appear after the currently selected slide. In the Slides group on the ribbon, click the New Slide arrow. In the New Slide gallery, click the Comparison slide layout. A new comparison slide appears immediately after the selected slide and is now the current slide. Multi-level bulleted lists are perfect for laying out information in a hierarchy that helps your audience understand relationships. A multi-level list begins with top-level bulleted text, followed by lower-level bulleted text that is indented. To create a multi-level bulleted list, you demote list items to a lower level using the Increase List Level button in the paragraph group or by pressing Tab. Click in the body content placeholder on the right side of the slide. The insertion point appears on the first line of the placeholder. The bullet symbol is dim because no text has been added yet. Type Plan for Success in the placeholder. The first bulleted text item appears in the list, formatted using the top-level bullet style. Press Enter. The insertion point moves to the next line, and a second top-level bullet appears in the list. In the paragraph group, click the Increase List Level button. The bulleted paragraph is indented beneath the top-level paragraph. Type Learn Business Goals at the insertion point. Press Enter. The text you type appears in a second bulleted text item with the lower-level bullet style. Type Create Project Plan, and then press Enter. A third bullet appears in the list at the lower level with the text you typed. In the paragraph group, click the Decrease List Level button. The empty bullet item is promoted to the top-level bullet style. Type Design Systems at the insertion point. You have created a multi-level list. You can promote or demote bullets at any time to change their level in the list. If you change the indent level of a list item by pressing Tab, PowerPoint may adjust the font size and bullet type to indicate a new list level. But if you want to change the indent of bulleted text without affecting its formatting, you can drag the indent markers on the horizontal ruler. On the slide, click before the word Analyze in the bulleted list. You want to increase the indent of this list item, but first you need to show the rulers. Click the View tab. In the Show group, click the Ruler checkbox to select it. The horizontal and vertical rulers are displayed in the slide pane. On the horizontal ruler, drag the rectangular marker to the 1-inch mark. You increase the indent of the list item. To work with text on a slide, you may need to select it. You can double-click a single word, or for multiple words, click anywhere inside a content placeholder, point to the beginning of the text, and then press and hold the left mouse button as you drag the pointer across the text. If you want to apply the same formatting to everything in a content placeholder, simply click the border of the content placeholder and then click the formatting options on the ribbon. Click anywhere within the content placeholder containing the bulleted list. The content placeholder border appears. Point to the beginning of the first word, plan, then press and hold the left mouse button as you drag down and to the right until you have selected the words "for success." Then release the mouse button. The text "Plan for Success" in the bulleted list is highlighted, indicating that it is selected. You can emphasize important words on slides by applying a bold format. To do so, you simply select the text or right-click the individual word to be formatted, and then click the bold button on the mini toolbar. You can also use the bold button in the font group or press Ctrl-B. Select the word healthcare in the table on the slide. The mini toolbar appears. On the mini toolbar, click the bold button. The bold format adds emphasis to the word healthcare. The bold button on the mini toolbar changes to gray, indicating that the format is applied to the text. PowerPoint slide layouts automatically format font sizes for text in titles, subtitles, and content placeholders, but you can change the font size of selected text using the mini toolbar or the buttons in the font group. Select the text "Plan for Success." The mini toolbar appears. On the mini toolbar, click the font size arrow. The font size gallery opens. In the font size gallery, click 28. The font size for the selected text is increased to 28 points. You can emphasize important words or phrases by applying underline formatting to selected text using the underline button on the Home tab in the font group. Select the word healthcare. In the font group on the Home tab, click the underline button. PowerPoint underlines the text. The slide layout controls the arrangement of content placeholders on a slide. You can change the slide layout after text and objects have been added using the Layout button. In the Slides group, click the Layout button. The Layout gallery opens. The current layout is Title Slide. Click the Title and Content option. PowerPoint applies the title and content layout to the slide.